K-I-S-S-M-Y-A-S-S spells kiss my ass. I'm gonna carve me initials in it. Har har!
The prosecution dismisses Juror 4.
Hang on a second. Ah! Lawyer!
What if that had been a real baby?
Sometimes it is.
Oh, I can't believe I just did that.
Yeah, dunce. Now Jane's a loose end.
Hey, Jane. You getting a snack?
Looks like the little baby wants to pick a fight. Come on!
9. Air Bud. 8. Spike, Snoopy's ne'er-do-well desert-dwelling brother. 7. Eddie from Frasier.
Hey, Jane. You getting a tampon? Yeah, loose end.
My passion for whacking is waning.
Perhaps this will cheer you up.
Are you sure, Barry?
Definitely sure.
Okay, then. You're all gonna get cut. Ah, my hip-hop hooray arm!